Hi friends, welcome again to my channel. So in this video, I'll tell you what is the use of like operator in SQL. So in a previous video, we have been discussed what is pattern matching, why do we use pattern matching. As we know, many types of comparisons that cannot be possible by using relational operator. So for performing that kind of comparisons, that kind of matching, we use the pattern matching. Now we also know that pattern matching can be performed by using like operator and escape operator. So in this video, we will discuss how do we match patterns and what kind of patterns by using this like operator. So basically, what kind of comparisons that are basically performed by this like operator, it's basically used to compare, it's basically used to match the patterns that are character strings. Okay, as I have mentioned over here, it is used in character string comparisons with pattern matching. Okay, for example, in this table, this is an employee table. We have three columns: employee number, employee name and salary. Here this is a column that consists of numeric data, and this is also a column that consists of numeric data, and this is the only column that consists of character string data. Okay, so these are all the string. So we can only perform the like operator on these kind of columns that consist of character strings. Okay, so this is what the use of a like operator. It is used for compare character string patterns. Okay, now basically the like operator doesn't work alone. It always works with either of these two wildcards. Okay, this is a percentage and this is a underscore wildcard. So what is the use of these two wildcards with this like operator? So percentage wildcard is used for approximate comparisons. Okay, when we do not exactly know about the information about the data about the character string that we are going to match. For example, in this table, if we want to know those students whose name starts with A, we don't know the exactly name of the students, but we want only those students whose name start with A, ends with N, or consist of A in between their name. For example, all like these all kind of comparisons in which we do not have any complete information, we have just an incomplete information. Okay, we have just a clue to find that name. Okay, so for these kind of approximate comparisons, we basically use this percentage symbol. Okay, now what is the use of underscore symbol? It is used for exact comparison. For example, in this table, if you want to know the name of the student that consists of T exactly at the third position, okay, we want to get only those students whose name consists of exactly 4 characters. Okay, for these kind of exact comparisons, we use this underscore symbol. Now let us understand the use of this percentage symbol and this underscore symbol with the help of an example. So I have written over here, select star from employee where ename. Okay, that is what I want to make a condition. I want to write a condition on this ename column, as it is the only column in this table that consists of character strings. So we can perform the like operator operations only on this column. Okay, so firstly, if I want to know employees whose names start with A. Okay, for example, in this table, I want to know, I don't have a complete information about the name of that employee. I just have a incomplete and a clue of his name. Okay, his or her name. So for these kind of comparison, we will use this percentage symbol with this like operator. As we know, this percentage symbol is used for approximate comparisons, right? Now what this query will return to us, okay, it will return us all the employees whose name consists of A as its first letter. Okay, so this is what the result of this query. Now let's move to our second query. So in this query, we want to find those employees whose name ends with N. Okay, so how do we write a query over here? Like percentage N. It doesn't matter how many letters will precede N. We just want the last letter of that name must be N. So we will write this query like this. Okay, percentage N. Okay, there may be any limit of letters that can precede N, but the last should be N. So what this query will return to us? It will return us all the names that consist of N as the last letter, like Aman, Ratan and Ketan. Let's see. Okay, so this is where the result of this query. Now if we want to know those employees, get the record of those employees that consist of A in between their name, whatever the position, okay, that consists of A in between in their name, and it may be somewhere in the name. Okay, so in this also we can determine that we have an incomplete information, so we will use this percentage symbol, right? So how do we write this query over here? We will write like this. Okay, that there may be any number of letters, there may be any number of letter, but the middle, that means somewhere in the name there should be a. Okay, so we will write this query like this. If we want to find a between comparisons. Like, okay, we just know the letter that is in between some the name. Okay, so we will write this query like this. Okay, so what it will return, all the names that consist of a in between their name. Like Aman is also getting a at the third position, in this Ratan is getting a at two positions, but yeah, still it consists a, right? Ketan is also consisting a at fourth position. So this is what the result of this pattern matching. Okay, it will return us all the name that consist of a in between their name. So this is all about the use of our percentage symbol. Okay, it's used for approximate comparisons. Okay, now let's see what is the use of this underscore. As I told you, it's used for exact comparison. For example, if we want to know those employees having T at exactly third position, now in this we have a complete information that the name will consist of T at exactly third position. So how we will write this query over here like this? Okay, it will be underscore underscore T, that is first, second, third. It, what is it indicating? That the third position must be T, and before T there will be only two letters, and after T there may be any letter, because we have just said that T should be at the third position. We have not mentioned anything about the how many letters should be after T, right? So we will write this query like this. Okay, so what it will return, all the names that consist of T exactly at the third position. Okay, so what this is for the use of this underscore symbol, it's used for exact comparisons. Okay, so what is it indicating over there? That the T should be preceded by only two letters, exactly two letters. So what is it, the result it is indicating? In both of these answers we can see that there are exactly two letters before three. Okay, there are exactly two letters before three, and after T there may be any element, there may be any number of letters. Okay, if so for that purpose we have written over here percentage symbol. Okay, so this is why the use of this underscore symbol. Now if we want to find only those employees whose name consists of exactly four letters. Okay, so how do we write this query like this? Like four underscore symbols. Okay, so it will indicate, it will find only those employees whose name consists of exactly four letters. So this is where the use of this like operator. Okay, it's used for character string comparisons, and it used two wildcards, percentage and underscore. Percentage is used for approximate comparison when we have some incomplete information about the data, and this underscore is used for when we have a complete information about the data. So this is where the use of this like operator. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates of my videos. Thank you.